Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and tap on Apps and Notifications, click on See All Apps and tap on the three dots icon. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got Reset App Preferences option, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you what it will reset. So it will reset all disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, you won't lose any app data, so if you're ready, click on Reset Apps. And actually, that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.